Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nahil Qunaybi. In this project, I worked on cleaning and pre-processing the Titanic dataset, which is a classic dataset used to predict passenger survival. First, I imported the necessary libraries and loaded the dataset from Kaggle and use Kaggle Hub library to download it. The dataset contained 891 rows and 12 columns. The columns contain passengers' details like name, age, and other details, and whether they survived or not, which is the label in this dataset. In this project, I handle the missing values. First, I found the columns that have missings, which was age, cabin, and embarked. For age, I handle the missing values in it by using median. For embarked, I handled the missings by fillet by mod. And for cabin column, I just dropped it because most of its values is missing. And then I remove duplicates from the dataset. Here I found the number of duplicates, and then I drop duplicates and keep the first row of the duplicates. After this, I convert some data types for some columns. Some columns like survived was Boolean, or it should be Boolean, but in the dataset it was integer. And some of it was categorical, like for example sex, and it was in the original dataset object. So I changed some data types and then standardize some columns like this. And here I rename some columns to make it more readable. And finally, I saved the clean dataset as a CSV file, so we can use it for analysis or machine learning modeling. Thank you for watching this data cleaning and pre-processing project.